Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. Monica has a circular magnet with a radius of 4 centimeters. What is the circumference of the circular magnet? So our question is asking for the circumference. And they gave us the radius of 4 centimeters. So since we have the radius, we have r equals 4. So the first step is we're going to look for the formula of circumference in the formula chart. So we look in the formula chart. Do you see a formula for circumference that has an r for radius in it? Good, let's write that formula down. C equals 2 pi r. That means 2 times pi times r is for radius. So we're going to substitute the values into the pi and r in the formula. So circumference equals 2 times, for pi, we're going to use 3.14. And r was the radius that they gave us, which was 4. So again, we got 4 from the problem. It gave us 4. It was our radius. Pi is the same for every circle, 3.14. And that's how we're going to get our circumference. So we're going to simplify it or evaluate. We can use the commutative property of multiplication and do 2 times 4. Notice that we are doing 2 times 4 because that's 2 times the radius would give me the value of the diameter. So I always like to do that first. So 2 times 4, and that will give me 8. That's those numbers multiplied, times 3.14. So I'm going to multiply 3.14 times 8. That's 32, 11, 25, and then we have 2 numbers behind the decimal. So the circumference is 25.12, and the units were in centimeters. And so we have our circumference is 25.12 centimeters. We look for our matching answer, and it is C. What is the circumference of the circular magnet? The circumference of this circular magnet with a radius of 4 is 25.12 centimeters.